Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about the word a little in Chinese. If you learned more Chinese, you probably know it's a bit tricky word, like how we use it a little. So we have different words. So first one we have 一点. I know some of you learning different version of Chinese. You probably hear 一点儿, they same. They just have R accent or not. So in my hometown, we don't say 一点儿, we just say 一点. So 一点, a little, and we sometimes can say 一点点, a little bit, and we only use it for noun before noun. So if you want to use a little, 一点, a little to modify a noun, we can only use 一点 or 一点点. So let's look at the examples. 我会说一点点中文. So I can speak a little bit Chinese. 我会说一点点中文。她只吃一点蔬菜。She only eats a little vegetable. 只 means only. So 她只吃一点蔬菜。So you can see these two examples, we just use 一点 or 一点点 before noun. And to modify the noun. So it's quite clear. Next, we can add 一点 or 一点儿 if you want to use our accent after adjectives or even a phrase. So 一点 is added after adjective or phrase to make a command to do something or request. So it's not to, well, it is kind of to modify the adjective or phrase, but actually when you use 一点 after this, it means you ask somebody to do it for you, do something for you. So let's have a look. We have many examples here. 快一点, so 快 means faster, fast or quick. 快一点, hurry up means quick a little, so means make it quicker, make it faster. 快 can mean both fast or quick. 慢一点, man means slow, so slow a little means slow down. 便宜一点, this is very useful. 便宜 means cheap. So sometimes if you just ask, can you make a bit cheaper? You say, 可以便宜一点吗? Can cheap a little, but you can see add 一点 after adjective means it's a request. 多一点, a little bit more please. 多一点. 少一点, 少 means little, few. So 少一点 means a little bit less. Please, a little bit fewer, please. So 少一点, 多一点. So you can see add 一点 after adjective, it's you make a request. Same, we add 一点 after phrase. 过来 means come here. So 过来一点 means come here a little bit, means come a bit closer. 过来 means come here. 往右一点, so 往 means towards, 右 right. 往右一点 move to right a little bit. So if you take a picture of somebody, so you say, can you move there a little bit? 往右一点, 往左一点, 左 means left. 往右一点, 往左一点. 多吃一点, 多 a lot, 吃 eat, so eat a lot, 一点. It means doesn't mean you eat a lot. It means eat more. So if you go to a Chinese family, they host you. They say, "Oh, please eat more. Eat a little bit more." But actually, just means eat more. But because we put 一点 here, a little to like make it doesn't sound like you eat a lot, but to ask you, please eat more. So 多吃一点. Well, it's not a request. It's in Chinese we say 客气. I don't know how we translate. You can say polite or hospitable. I don't know. We to show like they very warm. They welcome you to say 多吃一点. Okay, next one we can see is a tricky part. 有点 or sometimes say 有点儿. So 有点 also means a little, or we can translate have a little. And if we add 有点 before adjective and phrase. Can we see it's a before adjective phrase and different from 一点. 一点 is after adjective and phrase to make a request. However, here we add 有点 before adjective and phrase to modify the adjective and the phrase. And sometimes it sounds like complain, to complain. So, for example, 有点热, a little bit hot, a little bit too hot. 有点贵, a little bit expensive. So always make example. You say 有点贵, a little bit expensive. 可以便宜一点吗? When we use 一点 as request, 便宜一点, make it cheaper a little bit. 有点贵, a little bit too expensive. 便宜一点, make it cheaper a little bit. 有点太多了. 太 something that means too. 多 means a lot. So 太多了, too much or too many. 有点 a little bit too much, a little bit too many. So this is how we use 有点. Sorry, I just used one example here to phrase, but of course we can have many more examples here. But the key point here is 有点, a little before adjective and the phrase, to modify the adjective and phrase. And but yes, doesn't sound very positive. Sounds like probably you want to complain or it's a bit too much. And to make a request, can you make it a little bit quicker? Can you make it a little bit slower? We add 一点 after adjective and sometimes a phrase. And if you want to talk about noun, it's quite straightforward. It's just same as English. You just say 一点, sometimes 一点点 before the noun. So if somebody asks you, 你会说中文吗? Can you speak Chinese? You can say 一点点, a little bit. Okay, so this is the topic of a little in Chinese. Hopefully it will help you.